Every day, your brain is either getting sharper or getting weaker. There's no neutral setting. Some habits build focus and memory. Others quietly break them down. Here are 3 habits doing that to you right now. A few minutes on social media turns into an hour without you noticing. Every swipe delivers something new, a clip, a headline, a different topic, all in seconds. Your brain adapts to that rhythm. It starts expecting a hit of novelty every few seconds. That's the problem. Reading, studying, deep work, none of that pays off in seconds. So your brain treats it as boring, even when you consciously want to focus. The scattered attention doesn't stay on your phone. It follows you into everything else. Cutting sleep to get more done feels productive. It isn't. Sleep isn't downtime. It's when your brain sorts the day's information and files it into memory. Skip that step consistently, and your thinking slows down. You forget details. Decisions take longer. Things that used to feel easy now take real effort. This is why the people performing at the highest level protect their sleep like a non-negotiable. Not because they're disciplined, because they've tested what happens without it. Checking messages mid-task, a video playing while you study, jumping apps every few minutes. It feels efficient. It isn't. Your brain isn't doing 2 things at once, it's switching between them, and every switch has a cost. Time to refocus, energy to rebuild context. Do that enough times a day, and you never reach deep focus, the state where actual learning and creative problem-solving happen. People who protect long blocks of uninterrupted focus aren't smarter. They just aren't paying the switching tax. If you want a sharper mind, stop looking for a hack to add. Start by removing what's already breaking it. Cut the scrolling. Protect your sleep. Give one task your full attention at a time. If this was useful, subscribe.